Prawn Biryani. Tiger prawn or any big prawn 300 gram. Marinated with turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and saute 2 minutes. Potato 1 big, onion 1 medium, ginger 1 inch, 4-5 garlic cloves. Cut potato and onions like this. Grate ginger and garlic. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Add the grated garlic. Fry for 1 minute, let it brown. Add sliced onions. Fry for 2 minutes. Add the potato cubes. Biryani masala 1 teaspoon. Fry and cook potato to 80% for 2 minutes. Now cover for 5 minutes. Don't cook fully, potato will go for dum. At this time add the grated ginger. Add biryani masala 2 teaspoon. After 1 minute add sauteed prawns. Add 1 tablespoon water for letting masala inside prawns. At this time put off the gas. Pre-cook rice 90%, 1 big bowl. Ghee 1 tablespoon to coat the pan. Layer with rice half bowl. Spread biryani masala half teaspoon. Tear and spread few pudina leaves. Julienne and spread ginger 1/4 teaspoon. Carefully layer with prawns and fried potatoes. Now evenly layer with rest of the rice. Sprinkle biryani masala half teaspoon. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Kevra water 1 teaspoon. Edible attar 3 to 4 drops. Add pinch of saffron in 3 tablespoon milk and spread on rice. Now spread fried onions 2 tablespoon. Using aluminum foil to cover. Keep on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Enjoy prawn biryani with raita.